Mark from the future. I'm sitting here watching it on the edit, and I think the stubby is possibly the worst. The normal and the periscope quite similar. It's quite difficult to fly 3 flights exactly the same. So it's a bit of a toss-up between normal and periscope. I'm not 100% sure. Leave your comments below which one you think's better. And everything's really wet, so really bad for 5.8. And because I've been messing around so much, I was getting low voltage on the periscope one. I was like, oh no, better land, better land.